Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to create and share a Zoom meeting link in just a few steps. Whether we're hosting a class or catching up with friends, having a ready-to-share link makes it easy for others to join. Let's get started. On your Zoom dashboard, click the plus button and select Schedule a Meeting. Once we're here, we need to fill in a few details. First, we set the topic for the meeting. Then, we choose the date and time for when the meeting will take place. Next, we select the start time and set how long the meeting will last. Just enter the duration in the field provided. To invite others, we add their email addresses. Just type the email address in the box. If we want to invite more people, simply add more email addresses. Now we fill in any remaining settings we need. Once we're done, click Save. Once the page loads, we can see our invite link. We just need to copy the link and send it to the people we want to join, or share it with anyone we'd like to meet with. And that's it. That's how we create and share a Zoom meeting link quickly and easily.